everyone, thank you for joining us in today's Railbite, in which I'll be introducing you to the latest feature on our website, Save for Later. In 4 easy steps, Save for Later allows you to simply save your quote, retrieve your saved basket, search for current fare availability, and pay when you're ready. Let's begin with step 1, saving your quote. So you've selected the fare and not quite ready to lock it all in? That's okay, just add the fare to the shopping basket. This pop-up is just a reminder the fare you've selected requires instant payment. Click I understand to proceed to the next screen. Enter the passenger's details and note names must be recorded as per passport. However, middle names are not required. And select Continue. Review your shopping basket and take note of your booking reference number as you'll need this to retrieve your booking later. The countdown clock shows the time left remaining before the fare expires. Select Save and Close. Enter your reference details here and tick the box below to show you understand that by saving this quote, the fares are held but are not confirmed or secure until payment is made. It's important to note prices are still subject to change. Once you've saved your quote, you'll be redirected to the home page. Step 2, retrieving your basket. From the home page of our website, hover over Agent Tools and select My Saved Bookings. Search for your booking number and open your booking by clicking Retrieve Booking. If the fares you've selected are still active and you're ready to secure the fare, complete step 4 by proceeding to checkout and making payment. Great, so the active fare you've held has now been confirmed and finalised. Now we're going to look at what happens if your fare has expired. Step 3, reinstating expired fares. Retrieve your basket as previously shown from Agent Tools. The expired fare will show here. Simply click Search for availability again. If the system is able to locate the previous fare that was removed, it will show highlighted, and you can select Add to Shopping Basket to reinstate the original fare. If the fare is no longer available, you will need to select the next available fare before proceeding to add to the shopping basket. Passenger information is saved and you can click Continue. A quick reminder, the fare will only be valid for the time shown in the shopping basket. Proceed with payment as normal or save and close the basket again to retrieve later. Save for Later has been created to save you time, save your booking information on the Rail Europe website, so you can easily retrieve the details when your client is ready to commit to their booking. Your BDMs are happy to assist with training on this feature when required. A user guide is also available on the homepage on our website. Thanks for your participation and have a great day.